Have you ever felt tired all day and wondered, maybe I need to eat better? Or maybe someone told you you should eat healthy food, and you thought, okay, but what exactly is healthy food? Don't worry, we're going to talk about it together today. Welcome to Daily English Listening Stories, the podcast where learning English is simple, clear, and full of real-life stories. Today's topic is healthy food, what it means, why it's important, and how to talk about it in easy English. So grab your favorite drink, maybe a smoothie, maybe just a glass of water, and let's start. Healthy food is food that makes our body strong, our mind happy, and our life better. It's not about eating only salads or saying goodbye to chocolate forever. It's about balance, choosing food that gives us energy, helps us grow, and keeps us feeling good. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to talk about healthy food, describe what you eat, and share your own healthy habits, all in simple English. Ready? Let's go shopping for good food in English. Let's start with breakfast. You wake up, go to the kitchen, and say, "What should I eat this morning?" You have two choices, a donut and soda, or an apple and a glass of water. Which one sounds better for your body? Of course, the apple and water. You can say, I eat fruit for breakfast. I drink a glass of water every morning. Healthy breakfast foods include fruit like bananas, apples, or oranges, yogurt or milk, eggs or oatmeal. These foods give you energy for the day. They don't make you feel sleepy or heavy. I once had only coffee and cookies for breakfast, and by 10 a.m. I was already tired and hungry again. Now, when I eat fruit and eggs, I feel awake and ready to go. It's lunchtime. Your stomach says hello again. You want something tasty, but still healthy. Here's the secret: balance. You can say, I eat rice with vegetables. I have chicken and salad for lunch. I drink water with my meal. Good lunch ideas include chicken, fish, or beans for protein. Vegetables like broccoli, carrots, or spinach. Rice, noodles, or bread for energy. Protein helps your body grow and stay strong. Vegetables give you vitamins, and water keeps you fresh. Remember, healthy food doesn't have to be boring. Add a little lemon, a bit of garlic, or some olive oil, and it's delicious. I have a friend, Sam, who says vegetables are boring. I told him, only if you cook them wrong. Now he adds carrots to soup, broccoli to noodles, and spinach to eggs. He says, okay, vegetables are not bad. After a long day, dinner should be light, not heavy. You can say, I cook vegetables for dinner. I eat soup or salad. I don't eat too much at night. Some people eat late and then go straight to bed, and the next morning they feel slow. So try to eat early and keep it simple. My favorite dinner? A bowl of vegetable soup with bread. Warm, easy, and healthy. You can also say, I drink water instead of soda. I eat fruit after dinner. And here's a fun fact. If you eat light, you sleep better. Let's review some important English from today's story. Gives me energy means helps you feel active, not tired. Example, breakfast gives me energy for the day. Stay strong means keep your body healthy and powerful. Example, milk and eggs help me stay strong. Feel fresh means feel clean, awake, and happy. Example, drinking water makes me feel fresh. Eat light means eat a small, simple meal. Example, I eat light at night. Good for the heart means keeps your heart healthy. Example, fish is good for the heart. Try using these phrases in your daily life. They are short, easy, and very natural. So, why do we need healthy food? Let's make it simple. Energy. Healthy food helps you work, study, and move without feeling tired. Growth. It helps children grow taller and adults stay strong. Happiness. Eating healthy food makes your body and mind happy. When you eat too much junk food like chips or candy, you feel full but not strong. You might even feel heavy or sleepy. But when you eat good food like vegetables and fruit, you feel light, fresh, and ready to do anything. Healthy food is like fuel for your body. You wouldn't put bad fuel in your car, right? So don't put bad food in your body. Now, it's your turn. I want you to say or write 2 sentences in English about your healthy habits. For example, I drink water every morning. Or, I eat fruit and vegetables every day. Or make a small paragraph. I like healthy food. I eat bananas and apples for breakfast. I have rice with chicken and vegetables for lunch. I drink water all day. Healthy food makes me feel good. You can say it out loud, write it in your notebook, or share it in the comments. Remember, every small sentence you say in English is great practice. So, my friends, what did we learn today? That healthy food doesn't have to be boring or difficult. It can be colorful, tasty, and fun. Remember these 4 easy tips. Drink water every day. Eat vegetables with every meal. Eat fruit every day. Cook at home when you can. Small steps make big changes for your health and for your English. Thank you so much for joining me today on Daily English Listening Stories. If you liked this story, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple and fun English lessons. And now, tell me, what's your favorite healthy food? Is it fruit, fish, or maybe a fresh salad? I'd love to know your answer. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep learning English every day. Bye for now.